According to latest report by Reports and Data, the global smart coatings market size was $4.11 billion in 2021 and is expected to register a revenue CAGR of 23.4% during the forecast period. Rising demand for smart coatings in the construction and display industries due to its self-cleaning and self-healing properties, increasing need to respond to environmental or external stimuli and modify characteristics in order to improve performance, and increasing need for improving systems efficiency by reducing inspection times, maintenance costs, and equipment downtime are major factors expected to drive market revenue growth during the forecast period. Smart coatings respond to external stimuli such as dirt, light, pH levels, temperature, impact, and fatigue. It is used on a range of surfaces, including electronic components, aluminum molds, steels, and various glass surfaces, to prevent corrosion and make the surface self-healing, antimicrobial, and self-cleaning. Thank you, guys.